Have you ever wondered how the changing climate is impacting not just our planet, but our health as well? Welcome to a deep dive into the intersection of climate change and human health. Consider the case of New Delhi, India, a city choked by air pollution. In the winter of 2020, the city was blanketed in a thick smog, reducing visibility to just a few hundred meters. This wasn't a one-off event, it was a recurring nightmare for the residents. The culprit? A mixture of vehicle emissions, industrial pollutants, and crop burning in neighboring states. The World Health Organization listed New Delhi as one of the most polluted cities in the world. The result? An increase in respiratory conditions, heart disease, and premature death. Or take the case of the Pacific Island nation Kiribati, threatened by rising sea levels. By 2050, much of its land could be underwater, but the health impacts aren't waiting for the water to rise. Saltwater intrusion into freshwater supplies is already leading to waterborne diseases. Skin infections and diarrheal disease are becoming common, a direct consequence of climate change. In Australia, the summer of 2019 saw one of the most devastating bushfire seasons. The fires, exacerbated by unusually high temperatures and dry conditions, blanketed cities in smoke for months. This led to a spike in hospital admissions for respiratory problems, with an estimated 3,000 more deaths than average during that period. So what does this tell us? That climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a health issue. It's affecting our air quality, our water supply, our food security, and our disease patterns. Let's summarize. Air pollution in cities like New Delhi is exacerbating respiratory and heart conditions. Rising sea levels in places like Kiribati are leading to waterborne diseases. And extreme weather events, like the bushfires in Australia, are causing immediate and long-term health problems. Climate change is here, and it's impacting our health. But by recognizing these impacts, we can start to take steps to mitigate them. This is not just about saving our planet, it's about saving ourselves. As we move forward, we must remember that every action we take to combat climate change is also a step towards better health for all of us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the intersection of climate change and human health. Remember, the health of our planet and our own health are intertwined. Let's keep the conversation going.